Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Remove the three 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board bracket to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board bracket off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Peel back the grounding tape that secures the touchpad board to the top cover. Important: make note of the placement of the Mylar shielding that covers the touchpad board for later replacement. Peel back the Mylar shielding that covers the touchpad board. Remove the three 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad board.